Beauty contenders, in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing 4 fabulous, buzzworthy, red carpet ready beauty products made by newcomer beauty brand Bianca Beauty. Founded in 2021, Bianca Beauty is based in the city of beautiful Orlando, Florida. Collection features affordable, high-quality products that will empower and boost confidence, giving you the ability to look your absolute best on any occasion. Stay tuned for an unboxing and review of Spring Collection 2021 by Bianca Beauty, featuring 35-color eyeshadow palette, You Shady, eyelashes in style Goddess, lip gloss in color Quickie, and matte lipstick in shade Birthday Cake. Items arrived lightning fast, well packaged, and in stylish boxing. Unboxing. Eyeshadow palette, You Shady. Bianca Beauty has 3 mega eyeshadow palettes to choose from. Seen here is the You Shady palette, which features 35 medium buildable coverage pressed powders that can be used together to create any look from natural to dramatic. Eyeshadows have a velvety smooth texture and can be easily applied over a concealer base or with an eyeshadow primer. With good pigment, and it stayed on all day without creasing. Palette features a rainbow assortment of colors: pink, purple, blue, orange, turquoise, white, yellow. This palette has every bold color that you can imagine. This palette is a game changer for beauty routines across the world. Item number 2, 3D mink eyelashes in style Goddess. An eyeshadow look is never complete without a pair of red carpet worthy eyelashes. Bianca Beauty's Spring Collection features 9 custom, handmade 3D mink eyelashes. Featured here are Bianca's lashes in style Goddess. Lashes were easy to apply, and I've definitely felt worthy of adoration after use. Item number 3, Birthday Cake Matte Lipstick brings a look together. Bianca Beauty's Spring line carries 5 show-stopping shades of matte lipstick. One might notice something missing from this gorgeous look that I have created. Problem solved. Featured here is Bianca's high fashion matte lipstick in shade Birthday Cake. This highly pigmented, velvety lipstick glides on smoothly and stays put. Shade contains no gloss. Item number 4, lip gloss in shade Quickie. Bianca's Spring Collection features 5 lip glosses to choose from. Featured here is shade Quickie, worn on top of shiny lipstick shade Bougie Bee. Quickie can be worn alone or on top of any compatible shade. Review. Bianca Beauty stands out. You Shady is the hardest working, affordable, blendable, highly pigmented palette packed with trendy and ever-flattering tones and hues from light to dark and matte to sparkle. Goddess lashes are an absolute beauty enhancer. Bougie Bee shiny lipstick made me feel like a walking celebration. Quickie lip gloss left me feeling empowered and beautiful. Follow Bianca Beauty on Instagram at Bianca Beauty Brand and shop at biancabeautybrand.com.